Hi everyone, it's Christine from Guild Festival Theater. Crafts are such a fun activity, rain or shine. So today we're going to show you how to bring the rain indoors by creating your own Rainmaker. For the body of our Rainmaker, we're going to be using a paper towel roll. Or if you're like me and don't have any, you can use 3 toilet paper rolls stuck together. To create the sounds of rain, we're going to use rice and aluminum foil. And to seal off the ends, we'll be using construction paper cut into rounds and elastics. The thicker, the better. To decorate, I'll use paint and decorative tape, but you can use whatever you like. If you're using toilet paper rolls for this craft, here's how I stuck mine together. Cut a slit in one end of a toilet paper roll and squeeze the bottom so it's just a bit thinner. Then stick it into another toilet paper roll and you've got a nice long tube for your Rainmaker. Now it's time to paint. I've chosen a bright pink. Then grab your decorations and customize your Rainmaker however you like. It's important to decorate before we start adding the rice or the tin foil, as it's much easier to do so before there's anything in your Rainmaker. Next, you'll need your aluminum foil. You'll want a piece that's slightly longer than your Rainmaker. Then, grab it from the long edge and start rolling it from bottom to top. Once you've finished rolling your aluminum foil, squeeze it so that it's thinner and easier to work with. Then you'll want to grab something long and skinny. I'm using a paintbrush since I needed one earlier. Squeeze your aluminum foil a little bit more if you need it, I sure did, and then wrap it around the object. Remove whatever you curled your aluminum foil around and grab your Rainmaker. Now, place the aluminum foil inside the center of the tube. Now it's time to make our Rainmaker sound like rain. Grab your construction paper and take one piece and place it on one end of your tube. Get an elastic and wrap it around so that the construction paper stays in place. Then take some rice and place it inside of your Rainmaker. The more rice you add, the more raindrops you'll hear. If you're like me, you might have gotten rice all over the place, but that's okay. Just make sure to clean it up later. Then grab your other piece of construction paper and do the same thing you did on the other end. Now your beautiful Rainmaker is all finished. And there you have it. That's how you make your own Rainmaker. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and comment down below. And if you decide to make your own Rainmaker, be sure to post on social media and tag Guild Festival Theater. Thanks again for watching, and we hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye!